All my dear students to Sudharma's physics classroom. Today we are going to do an experiment from trash. It's a zero cost experiment, we can say like that, because we are going to do the experiment with a use and throw bottle. So the materials required are very simple. You can see here a plastic bottle. This is the main item, okay, and we need a cello tap, a scissors, then we need a metallic rod, something like this, whatever is available at home. This is to make a hole on the bottle cap and on the bottle. So first of all, what you have to do is you can heat this kind of a rod, or even you can heat the scissors, okay, then make a hole on the bottle cap. So you can, I have already done it, so I just show you how I have made it. So you can make a hole like this and another hole on the bottle. So here I have made another hole using the same metallic rod. So our experimental setup is almost done. Now we have to make the valve for the water pump. So now you understood what we are going to make today. It's a water pump. It is a low cost or a zero cost water pump. So the trick in constructing this pump lies in this cello tap. So we have to cut a small cello tap, a very small one. So you have to make sure it fits into the size of this hole. So observe what I'm going to do. One side we have to leave and another side we have to just fold it and stick it together. So this side is both the sides, it won't be sticking to the bottle cap. So one of the sides which has that sticky part, I'm going to just stick on the bottle cap, okay. So I have stuck it here. So now you can see the valve for this bottle cap is ready. So now let's see whether this valve is moving or not. So if I just insert this scissors, see, this is how it should be, okay. A similar kind of cello tap fixing should be done for this hole also. So for that I'm going to cut another piece of cello tap. We're going to do the same method. We have to fold it, just cut a small piece, then fold one of the ends like this, okay. So this is our second valve. Now fix it here, yeah. So our valve on the bottle is also ready. So we have one valve on the bottle cap, another valve on the bottle itself. Now we have to close the lid. So our water pump is ready. Let's try our water pump. I am going to insert this water pump into this water and going to press the bottle. You can see the water gushing out from the vessel to the bottle. So slowly water comes inside. So that water is coming through the first valve which was constructed at the bottom of this bottle. So we have another valve here. So we have to allow the water to come till that level. So we have to press it continuously. Water is reaching almost to the level of the valve. Now you can see the valve is slowly opening and you can see the water is gushing out of that valve. It looks so beautiful, right? Now our water pump is working very well. You can enjoy this. Everyone will be having use and throw water bottle at house, right? So you can try this experiment and tell me your experience in the comment box, okay. See, it's so beautiful to see the water gushing out through the valve. So what is the principle behind this? We have two valves in this pump, right? One at the bottom of this bottle and the other one at the top of this. Okay, so once we press this water bottle, the pressure inside the bottle we are reducing. So the water will be coming through the valve which is at the bottom of this bottle, and at that time the valve closes. So again when we press it, the valve here opens. That means it allows only one way passage of water. So here also there is another valve. So when I am pressing this, the water is coming through this valve, and this valve, you can see this valve is opening and water comes out, okay. So this is the working principle of this pump. Try this at home. Hope all of you enjoyed this experiment. Thank you for watching. Bye.